Hello, welcome to another review. This is Katina from Patio Garden Ponds. Do you live in Dakota and currently looking for a field guide which has bird pictures of birds in the wild and information about birds which is specifically found only in Dakota? If you live in Dakota and want more information about nature and the birds in it, then the Birds Dakota Field Guide will be the perfect partner for you. Now you can learn all about birds by using this field guide by Stan Tequila. This item offers full-page color photos which are very detailed and includes insets of winter plumage, color morphs, and more. Using this field guide is a real pleasure. This field guide is a great way for anyone to learn about the birds in Dakota. Equip yourself with this very informative field guide. This is ideal for kids, the library, school, or for collection. With the easy-to-use format of this item, you don't need to know a bird's name or classification in order to easily find any bird in this field guide. Now is the time to grab this item. Buy the Birds Dakota Field Guide today at a very affordable price and have a way to broaden your knowledge about birds in Dakota. Until next time, this is Katrina from Patio Garden Ponds.